All right, Tyler, what's so frustrating right now?
I've had to do the same code about four times now, and I figured out how to get it right. I did do it right, but now I just drowned on the attempt that was right. So now I have to restart and go back one block. So
Well, if you drowned, why was it right?
well, no, I messed up a repeating step. Okay, the repeating step got me, it messed me up, and I died.
Okay.
But now I'm not gonna die this time, so I'm gonna go and mine iron now.
So what is the hard part about coding?
Trial and error. There's a lot of error and I don't know, because you really have to try it to get it right. You can't just go along, I guess. I don't really know how to explain it. It's just a lot of trial and error.
Absolutely.
So today I'm doing some more coding, just finishing it up. Right now I'm running it to check the newest parts that I'm right here and working on, make sure they're working and validate them. Right now it's just running, and yeah, we got a lot of code.
What do you find easy or hard about coding?
The harder part is when you put something together, you gotta wait a long time for it to actually catch up and see what you're trying to get done, if it works.
Okay, so working on a massive code, and currently trying to break blocks up here. But the hardest part of coding is running through the whole thing and having it off by one on the end, and then you have to fix the issue and go through the entire 4-minute code again before you can see if you got it right.
Okay, so right here I have all these repeatings to do what's essentially a board clear. Which destroys a block, and then it moves forward, and then it can move forward if there's water ahead, or place blocks if water's ahead, and then it will destroy everything and cover all water. Problems I see with this. A special mechanic of this Minecraft thing is that they're sheep. The sheep cannot die. And also, if you bump into them, it doesn't make you move. So that's going to be a problem. I'll have to maybe put something up, or it'll just work by itself. Also, it takes an extreme amount of time, since the code, the checking, isn't instant. It takes 0.1 seconds to check, which usually won't be a problem. But I'm doing these things hundreds and hundreds of times, and so it takes forever. It's been taking 26 minutes, which is the real big problem here. I don't think there's a way around it, because the reason this happens is if there's a large area of completely empty things, I have to have all this code so I can move forward without wasting other code. But then if it's just all one block, all the way there, then I'm never going to use that, and it's just going to take up time. So it's extremely complicated. I probably could simplify it. That would take way too much brain power though, so let's see how it goes at the end and see how long this takes.
Well, I'm trying to get it so where when he touches the box, the box opens, but don't really remember how I did it the first time. So I'm trying to figure that out.
Okay.
What is the hardest part about coding for you?
I don't know. Just figuring out what you're gonna do, and then figuring out how it works. Yeah.